Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on dYdX. Earlier we saw that the price line of dYdX was breaking out an inverse head and shoulder pattern and also broke out the resistance of the falling wedge pattern as well. Right now we are moved under the resistance back, and in today's video we will analyze is there any possibility for the price reversal and another breakout, or it will move more down from here. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas. You can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Now let's move to the chart, and this is the daily, 4-hourly time frame chart. And here we can see that the price line entered in this falling wedge here. On 5th of December, we had nice zigzag move between the resistance and support of this wedge. Finally here, after this rejection which we had here on 15th of January, the price line had another bounce by this support of $6.59 and broke out this resistance here on 20th of January. And after a retest, the price line moved very close to the next resistance at $9.17 and moved down. And I was telling you that this level is very important, that is starting from $6.59 and goes to here, approximately here at $6, that is $5.95 we have. And you can see that the price line is still moving in this support zone. And even though we tested the support of this this falling wedge pattern, we had a long spike, but it is recovered back. Even on the hourly time frame, we can see that we are moving inside this support zone. Now if we switch to the daily time frame from here, then we can see that the price line is still moving in this down channel, very long-term down channel that was started in fact here on 26th of September. After this long rally, the price line is moving to the downside. We are having some zigzag moves, and we had tested the resistance more than the support. You can see we tested the support here on the several candlestick. We tested here, and we tested here as well recently. But we had several rejections by the resistance. And the more we will test the resistance, the more there will be chances for the breakout. However, right now we are again rejected and moved down at the support. And if we switch again to the 4-hourly time frame, we are moving above this support of the down channel. Unless the support of the down channel is not broken down, we can expect another reversal move for the next breakout. And you can see that how soon it is recovered. And we also need to break out this EM at 21 on the daily time frame chart as well. Now, for example, if the price line moves back, hits this resistance of the channel that is approximately at $8.40, and in case of breakout, we need to break out the next resistance levels as well. Like we have the next resistance here approximately at $10.70. Then we will have a lot of resistance here that is starting from here, from $12.50 and goes to you can see we have a lot of resistance here at this area, and approximately we have the final resistance at $26 to $27. I am expecting once we will have a breakout from this resistance, then we can achieve the final resistance target that is approximately at $26 to $27. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.